ticks different when you're cornering the block. Daniel in the shadows watching hands on the clock.
Hey there, let us customize Lone Wolf just a little bit. So the first thing we want to do is sign into command like you would normally be. And then we're going to click on our name in the top right. We're going to go to settings. We're going to find the Lone Wolf and we're going to click that go to transact. Specifically what I want to change right now is I want to make emails whenever I send them out to people a little bit more professional, that they're coming from me rather than the very generic stuff that you get if you don't do this. So up in the top left hand corner, I'm going to click on the transact and I'm going to click on authenticign. From there, I'm going to click in the top right and settings. And I'm just going to fill some of this out. I'm not a big fan of my middle name being out there, so I'm not going to bother with that. I can definitely fill this stuff out though. Let's see, South Church Street, Suite 206. That's in North Carolina, 27215. Let's go ahead and save that. And we have some branding options down here. So add photo, I'm going to go ahead and do my headshot. And yes, it did take me 4 tries to get my big head not so big that it took it. And I'm going to throw my personal branding on here a little bit too. So let's go ahead and do that. My personal branding does have the Keller Williams Central logo, as well as the Realtor, Equal Housing, and each office is independently owned and operated. So for compliance purposes, it should be alright. And let's kind of move that just a little bit here. I don't know if it gets wonky if you're a little bit out of these boxes or not, but I just don't feel like trying. Alright, so I'm going to hit continue. Alright, so I now have, let's look at that again here. I'm going to do this one more time because it looks like it kind of took some edges. I could be mistaken there. Continue. Nope, I was mistaken. It's all good. Alright. So now I have all these in here. I'm going to hit save a couple times. Save. I think it's saving. Just to be sure, what we'll do is we'll just kind of leave. Go back to authenticign, and it should still have my picture and such when I go to the settings. Yay! Everything's there. So if you're wondering what exactly I just did with that, let's go to signings for a second. I'm just going to create a new one. Demo, delete me. Add a document. Oops. Forms. Okay, mold and moisture. Sure, why not? Okay. And let's add some signers. It's going to be me. Alright, I've been added. And I'm just going to say that I need a signature on page 2. So tools, sign. Now I have a reason to send it to myself. And next. Send. Alright, so I have just emailed myself a document here to be signed. And as you can see up here at the top, it now shows my logo. And down here at the bottom, it has my full signature with that company information, as well as a picture. So it's a lot more complete than had I not done this. So this is something I would suggest you do just to make whenever you send for signatures to be made by people. a little bit more professional or inviting or whatever you want to call it. I hope that helps out. Take care.